We are the only full-scale spirits distillery, visitor experience and gin school in a 17th century castle. Our most popular attraction here and experience is the gin tours and the gin tastings. However, we do offer for smaller groups gin making and also once a month rum making experiences and of course cocktail masterclasses as well. So with the luxury of having quite a lot of space here, we can cater for groups of up to 150 people. So we do offer preferential rates for groups of over 15 plus, and then we can provide a complete bespoke experience to suit yourself and your group. And it can be tailor-made just for you.
We are the Brecon Mountain Railway and we're based in Merthyr, Tydfil, and we have a fantastic 5-mile heritage railway that runs from Pant up to Torpantai, which is in the heart of the Bannau Brycheiniog National Park. We offer a great experience for groups. We've got cafes, we've got fantastic railway heritage, we've got steam trains from Philadelphia built in 1919. We step back, we take heritage very seriously, and you've got to smell the steam. That's part of the experience. It's just getting behind these wonderful engines and they're living and breathing and really make the experience very special.
Wales Perfumery is the only independent perfume house in Wales, and we're based in Monmouth, just on the outskirts of the town in the countryside, overlooking the beautiful Wye Valley. When you go to the high street, you buy a commercial fragrance that lots of people are wearing, but when you come to a workshop, you're creating something from what you like, and everything goes into the bottle and you go away wearing something that is totally bespoke to you. It is a very, very hands-on experience, a very sensory experience. It makes people feel absolutely amazing when they come here. And it's a little bit like chemistry in school. You get to mix all your favourite things together to create a beautiful scent. It's a very unique experience in terms of creating something for yourself.
Cyfarthfa Castle is a castle based in Merthyr Tydfil. It's a Grade 1 listed building and perceived to be the best remaining ironmaster's house from the 19th century. We have a museum that starts downstairs in an immersive mining exhibit that talks about Merthyr's industrial history. Upstairs we have a historic art gallery and a contemporary art gallery. It has such a range of art that is really significant to Wales's contemporary culture. And then external to the castle we have beautiful luscious grounds with a large lake, the glass house and the Glamorgan cafe, and a park area. We have many events on that change weekly. These range from events for adults to families. We also have workshops and nightly events. Cyfarthfa Castle is such a great experience for groups because of the variety we offer. It can be loved by anyone.
My experience is called Vale Walks. I offer bespoke tours and walks in the Vale of Glamorgan, which is a wonderful part of Wales. I think Vale Walks is a little bit different because one, it offers things bilingually. We do Welsh and English, very, very dog friendly. I like to think that it offers a little bit of mindfulness maybe. It's good for your mental health. It's good to get to know people. It's good to get to know the history about the nature, but it's also good to use local people as well, historians, character actors, food providers, pubs and shops. So it offers the whole package here in the Vale of Glamorgan. Without doubt, the most popular one is along the Wales coastal path. It runs in a part of the Vale of Glamorgan along the heritage coast here. It offers everything, not only the views, but also the history, and it's accessible, it's quite easy. It's quite high sometimes looking over the cliffs of Southern Down, but it's a great walk. And it's a circular walk as well, so we can come back to a pub and enjoy each other's company and enjoy the food and drink.
White Castle Vineyard is a 13,500 vine vineyard situated in the village of Merthyr near Abergwenny. We're a family-run vineyard who offer various experiences, including tours, tastings, winery visit. For group visits, they can range from 1 person to 50. We start with just an introduction to White Castle Vineyard, how it all started. We walk through the vines, through the different varieties. We talk about that, the elevations. We then bring them into the winery where they can get their nose in an oak barrel that's got some wine in it so they can see the different aromas to different wines. Then we take them back to our cellar door and we conduct a tasting then of 4 wines usually. We can sit in a 16th century barn, or we can be sat outside with views across the vineyards. And we offer platter lunches and bits and pieces. It's not a tour guide, so people get to meet the people, actually do the work and run the business. It's all led by myself or my wife, Nicola. We try to make the experience of our tours and our tastings relaxed, enjoyable, memorable. A lot of our wines are served in Michelin-starred restaurants, 5-star hotels, and maybe not everybody goes to those establishments. For me, I like to bring it back down to where we can all enjoy the experience and get people to understand what we're trying to do and make these award-winning wines around the country.